The long game start.
ADHD.
And sometimes I feel lonely. Relationship circle. His lashes looks cute, but I feel like he's giving spiders.
Excuse me.
Happy birthday to you.
Wishing you all the best.
Thank you very much.
Morning. Today is my friend's birthday. Happy birthday to my friend Sabi. I hope you have a sexy, wonderful 28th birthday. Okay, let's get started. My hair is in braid, it's fully washed. Washed it yesterday, took down my previous braid. I'm going to do the same hairstyle. Corn roll, all back, half, and not braid this side. And then put them in ponytail and put my ponytail extension. Let me just put my oil. Let's go to the bathroom and braid our hair. Let's do my hair in half. It's in half now. This is what it looks like. I'm not really worried about if I get the pattern right because it's going to be covered. I want the pattern to be straight in front. I'm not done. Still going. It looks good, right?
A lot of people are getting them for TFL, yes.
Is it for mostly contactless?
Yeah.
Very soon, we're going to start investigating TFL.
Yeah. Just really starting more than they should.
Yeah. They need to review the transport fares, because sometimes it does not make sense at all.
I go out, I was like, this should not cost £10.
I have the money to go out and do stuff, but then is the transport holding you back?
Yeah.
Honestly.
Something that holds you back as well. That's why obviously when you're around and you have a card.
Well, I don't have the card now because I'm paying.
Like you're on the same level. Yeah. Why have ADHD?
Girl, please be for real.
My brain has like so many like tabs. So I'm on Amazon, I'm not really sure what I'm doing, and then I'm on TikTok, I'm not really sure what I'm doing, I'm on my email, I'm not really sure what I'm doing, I'm back on editing, I'm not really editing, I'm going back to Amazon. That's literally how my brain is like recently. I'm just like, what am I even doing? Like, I'm not even finishing one thing and I'm going on to the next. And then I'm on Twitter scrolling and I go back to editing.
I've seen so many people on TikTok saying that too. What I've been doing is like, I'll edit for 20 minutes and then if I can continue, I'll edit for 20 minutes. Maybe you should try that or try for 15 minutes, then stop and do what you're doing.
I think like your editing is quite different because yours is YouTube, so you've got your own editing hours, but mine is literally just like reels.
I'm done now. My Eco Styling gel. Let's moisturize our scalp. I'm using the same Sheer Moisture Lotion thing. My face, you see my face is really like lifted up. Snatched. Ew, come here. As I put the gel on the back, I'm going to apply a scalp just to press it down. I just want to make it less bumpy. That's it done for the hair. Let me show you my outfits. This is the dress I'm going to wear. My friend wants me to wear either like a pink, brown, or black dress. I have my scalp. This is what the dress looks like. And it has these straps behind. It's very body hugging. I like this dress like this. Like I want to style this dress a different way. After bringing the straps in front, it just didn't look good. Oh, maybe I should just hide the straps, leave it this way. What do you think? This is the dress without the straps. I hid the straps. Oh no, you can still see the straps. I don't know if it's gonna fall. It's gonna show my boobs. No, it's fine. I don't know. What do you think? It looks good without the straps, but then I don't like this thing here. This is the straps in front. Honestly, I don't know. I don't know which one to go for. Hold on. I think I'll do it this way. I would do no strap, and then this scarf, which you've seen me style in my previous video. If you haven't checked it out, go check it out. Tied like this, like so. So it's kind of giving 90s vibes, right? And then with this coat, I got these heels from Public Desire. I wore these heels on my birthday. It's gold with these heels. What do you think? I got the straps.
Yeah, that's actually a look. I like the white.
Like gold. Do you think I should do like a gold jewelry?
Yeah, that would work. The girls could work as well.
I need the straps. The straps is not showing behind, is it?
No.
I'm going to get pink blush type of makeup as well. Now, what's the time? I don't know what the time is.
I think to something.
I'm eating before I leave, you know, so I can spend less money in the restaurant because the place is getting expensive. Yeah, this is it. Alright, darlings, let's finally get ready. No, it's been a while since I've actually done like a face mask for myself. The people that follow me on Instagram on earlier days, I used to do like a mask Wednesday. I always did my face mask on Wednesday. Always did not miss it out. I think I actually loved it when I do it. I got really busy. Now what I just do is a face wash, moisturizer, and sunscreen. That's all I do. I know. Get a jar, put a caramel clay inside. I'm going to use this 77% hard liquid toner rather than use water because you can also mix it with water. I am going to just pour it in there, mix it up. When you're tired from work, you walk out, you're just so drained. I know you have to push through and do it, but honestly, your body is telling you you need to go to bed. So I listen to my body rather than the face mask. But at least I never, ever go to bed without washing my face. If I fall asleep without washing my face, I will still wake up again. I don't care if it's 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, I'll still wake up again and wash my face. I always do that. This is what the consistency looks like. Oh my gosh, it actually looks good though. I'm going to wash my face with a simple, refreshing facial wash. Face is washed, let's apply this. It's cold, it's cold. Oh my gosh, it's cold. It's so cold. What you want me to?
Long game start. Kissy face, sassy. I'm trying to kiss your lips for real.
Max is super dry. Have a shower and wash it off in the shower now. I am back from shower. I'm gonna use my body butter I made. I made a body butter using shea butter and cocoa butter and mixed it with other moisturizers and use Aveeno skin relief oil. But I got this on sales, you know. Oh, look at that go. Oh, wait, what is this? I just realized I have whitey stuff from the back on under my lips. This is so funny. You know, one product I really want to use is the Estee Lauder Night Serum. For moisturizer, I'm going to use the HA Intensifier, and this is from Skin Cuties. I got this from the clinic. I took one of the samples. I've never tried it before actually. So it's supposed to act like a moisturizer, plump your skin. I'm gonna ditch this sunscreen today because it's nighttime. Okay, I find this a bit light for my skin, so I'm just going to apply CeraVe moisturizer. It's so windy outside, so I'm trying to protect myself from dehydration. Well, I'm still bloated right now from my meal, so I'm going to have green tea to kind of reduce the bloatness because I want my belly to be... Just gonna add lemon. Okay, let's go do our makeup. Let's go. By the way, I got a new mattress, if you can see. If you've kept up with my previous vlog, you know that I moved in, I didn't have a bed. Now I have a mattress and a bed. My mattress came on Tuesday and I haven't slept on it yet because you're supposed to give it 72 hours. My sister said I'm doing too much for actually not sleeping on it and doing exactly what the manufacturer said. Do you think I'm doing too much? I don't think I'm doing too much. And guess what I forgot to do? I forgot to add my e.l.f. primer. I always forget to add my primer all the time. Baby, Fanny foundation. You know how when you're younger you have like boys problem? Mine have always been friendship. Like when I had a diary solely for my friends, especially this girl that was my best friend when I was like a teenager. Desperately wanted a best friend. Like I find it hard to make friends, but now I think my girl Sabi is here to stay. And sometimes I feel lonely in my friendship circle. I feel like my friends have always been, what's the word, not the type of friends that you talk to all the time. I feel like I've always had like distance friend, not like distance like we're living in a distance, but we're close but yet we're distant. Does that make sense? That's how I've always felt in my friendship. I still feel it now, but now I don't really mind so much because I'm busy with work. Little time I have, I use it to make content, and I understand they're also busy and we're not always going to be talking all the time. But I can't lie, that's how I feel sometimes. I don't really mind it sometimes, but you know, when you're lonely and you want to talk to someone and no one is there to talk to you. Luckily, I have someone I live with that is my best friend, which is my sister. My sister is literally godsend. The thing though about my sister is that she knows when something is suspicious with a friend, like, I don't really like that you're a friend. And to be honest, it's always true. When I was coming to London, I didn't have anyone I know. The people I knew in London, I felt like I was always the one reaching out and talking to them, but they never really return the calls or return the text message, or they take time, weeks on weeks to respond, or they see it but don't respond. I decided to take the matter under my arms. And with Sabi, we met via Twitter, via Unlonely page. I don't know if you know about Unlonely in the UK. She talks about relationship and sex and having like a consensual sex and stuff like that. Girls from different places, girls sending her their dilemmas and she answers them. It's my friend via the community. So I asked anyone, I'm moving to London, if anyone wants to be friends. I love anime, Korean drama. If you want to be friends, DM me. And she DM'd and we've been friends since then. I don't even know what type of friend I am with my friends. I need to ask them. Of person, yeah, when I try to reach you, text you or call you and you're unreachable, it kind of does something to my brain. I'm going to always call people, but I like when the people I'm close to are easily reachable, just in case, God forbid, something happened and I needed to talk to someone. After I found my friend, Sabi, went on Bumble and made more friends. I feel like now I meet my friends where they are. Over the years, I've kind of realized both where friends put me. I'm either the fun friend, the friend they talk to when they're sad, the friend, you know, kind of thing. From that, I know where to put my efforts. There's one thing I am very, very grateful for is that I always have my sister. She's literally my friend for life. I love to have friends outside of my sister, and I'm sure she does as well. I got a new product. I got the Huda Beauty Cherry Blossom Easy Bake. How do you open this? Press powder. Dust it off. So. I love it. Turn up with my beat. Look at my eye. Cute. I don't need to go for this one or that one. Actually, I decided to go for this one. Look how pretty. Okay, so this is what the lashes looks like. The lashes looks cute, but I feel like it's giving spiders. Put my braids on. I'm super nervous. Put the hair now. Okay. I'm gonna put the rest of my jewelries on the tube. I need to go now actually.
Sadly, by the way, guys, I was speaking about you on my YouTube. I told them how we met.
Oh, how do you meet?
Twitter.
I forgot my light of all things, like seriously.
Birthday, dear Sabi. Happy birthday to you. Hip, hip, hip.
Excuse me.
I hope you had a lovely birthday, girl.
I'm a mess.
It's raining. But anyway, wishing you all the best.
Thank you, baby.
I'm home. And good night.